Hello, friends. So, a lot of us are getting ready for back to school, and part of that is to stock your pantry with a lot of paper. So, I have yet another paper deal this week over at Walgreens, and we are going to do this one specifically curbside because we have a pickup code that's going to take like an extra $3 ish off of the basket. So, we're going to dive into that in a second. But if you could go to the top of your digital coupons folder, I think the majority of us got this, which is 7 back when you spend 25 in H&W categories. What is H&W categories? Is it home and wellness? Is it household and wellness? We're going to have to wait until Sunday the 27th and start adding stuff to a basket. But if you look, it expires on November the 1st. So definitely we have a long use for this booster. It's of a one-time use. I'm sure a lot of us will probably use it next week. But, a nice addition. Okay, so first deal is curbside, meaning you order this cell phone, desktop, computer, and then drive to the store and pick it up. We're going to add 3 of these Scott toilet papers for $15. They're $5 a pop. And then 3 of the paper towels also at the same price point. So that's $30 for this basket. We're going to load the following digital coupons that include $1 off for the paper towel and $1 off for the toilet paper. So load these 2, and then you're also going to maybe look under the household categories for this guy, which is the $1.25 off of the Scott's paper products, and that's going to take a whole bunch off. So you absolutely need this one loaded to make this deal happen. And this is a Walgreens coupon as well, just to note that because it says with my Walgreens, so you know it's an IVC. I'm going to add some extra paper to the basket that include 2 of these single roll paper towels for $2.58. Alternatively, I think probably $1.99 toilet paper if your store might have any. You could possibly add that as well. Okay, now here's the interesting thing. When you can put in a coupon code, we have this one, extra 15, to give you 15% off your $30 basket. And yes, with all of that paper products, we've achieved that, and we're going to get an extra 15% off. So looking at the magic here, we have the Scott Digital, the IVC 750 applying. We have another $1 Scott, and then $3.44 coming off for the extra 15 code. So that's really fantastic. So, it's just a way to save on paper. So looking at the overall basket was $32.58. IVC and promo codes $10.94 coming off. Curbside pickup is always free, $1.30 in tax, and the $2 digitals melting off right there. So the total is $20.94. If you're doing this without a booster, guys, I personally would just use $20 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. Pay the 94 cents. And make sure you get a receipt. So if the cashier is going to grab a zebra to expedite your checkout, say, no, can you do this at a regular cash register so you can actually get the physical receipt? Some stores you don't have that option, and you probably know if you frequent your Walgreens, but I would try and get a physical paper receipt or mention it before you check out, I need a receipt. Here's why. App ShopMe'em is giving back $1 for each of these Scott products, and as you bought 6, 2 of them will qualify, but you need that receipt to send it off to ShopMe'em, so that's an extra $2 for you. I think this is just a terrific deal any way you slice it or dice it, not factoring in the tax because tax is different in every state. I think it's like $2.20 per paper product, so it's a really good deal. Okay, so looking at the deal in a different way, if you're like, hey, I absolutely don't want that paper towel, I'm opposed to it, let's just put 6 in the basket, 3 toilet paper, 3 paper towel. Most stores also cap you off at a limit of 3. And we're going to load our $2 digital coupons for both the paper and the paper towel. And then the IVC coupon, which is $1.25 off. And if you've already used it once this month, it's okay. Just look under household. It should be listed probably towards the bottom. Remember, we're going to use our code extra15 where you have a coupon code box. That's where you're going to type it in at checkout. And just to show you all the magical coupons coming off, an extra 15 is $3.06 coming off. Okay, so $30, $10.56 in promo codes, free curbside pickup, $1.17 in tax, $2 melting off in digitals, $18.61. I would try and find something for like $1.40 to throw in there to use $20 in Walgreens cash or pay it out. Remember to get yourself a receipt so you can send that off to ShopMeum to get your extra $2 back for both the paper towel and the toilet paper. Hope you guys have loved this video. Just another option for some cheap paper, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.